Well, I'm back on this video number 2 on this Trex. Finished filling it up. I believe I hit all the right buttons inside to turn the AC on, but I got nothing happening. There's nothing happening between the high side and low side. What do we got there? I wish I had the light on. But yeah, there ain't nothing happening in Denmark here. Absolutely nothing. Okay, so I'm hooked up low side, high side. I'm completely full. Did I forget to press a button? Did a technician forget to put a ambient air temperature sensor on the system? Was the battery so low that a body control or HVAC module or something like that is not energizing? So let's go off here again. Let's cycle this thing a few times. Let's see if something's one of those systems that need to see it powered on and off a few times. Oh, get on my knees and look for the ambient control sensor. Okay, let's cycle it on again. Okay, I know I got that button hit. There's nothing else in the climate control. So let's see if we're doing something. I don't feel nothing. We got nothing. So now I gotta go hunting down here and looking for the ambient. I'm gonna call the technician who took this apart and put it back together and ask them, if I don't see it easily, ask them about the ambient air sensor, because if the ambient air temperature sensor isn't plugged back in, you won't get any working air conditioning. All right, I'll be back in a minute.